Good afternoon. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. This is the closing bell video. It kind of looks like today, uh, once again, our little resistance cap up here is going to hold us back. Um, I, I would suspect we're going to see some sloppy trading in here, probably still to the downside, looking at this lower trend line. And that's about the 34 exponential. It's kind of hidden behind that blue line, blue dotted line right in here. It's going to be very important to bust up over this resistance area to get us back up into this channel. Right now, we just have this consolidation trading sideways right now. Sloppy trading is what it does. Kind of gives us fake outs, go buy long, fake outs to buy short, different things like that. Um, we need to see a positive candle tomorrow to trade long, like I mentioned. Otherwise, I'm expecting a little more downside at this point. That's what I'll be planning for anyway. Um, yes. TVIX. We push back from the 50-day simple moving average after this. Not quite a bull kicker, but we've got the bearish candle. You do have a wick that throws the bull kicker out of the picture. But we do have a gap up with positive trading. Now we have a little consolidation. Friday we threw a doji in there, and then today you can see we're trying to pick up a little steam on TVIX. So we'll be watching this closely for a move up here. Also for that move down, if you're in it, you want to be careful with it. If we do start to get a little bullish in the market, you want to watch this one. And this DRV, just putting in a little sideways noise right now. Looks like it's having trouble with the 20-day simple moving average. A breakout of that simple may give us enough strength to get us up to the 34 exponential and maybe to the $55 range and test these lower candles here. At dawn, yeah, that VELT is trying. And on a breakout, that may prove to be a good money maker. On a breakout trade, you can see how it's putting in that rounded bottom. We've moved up, now back. Watch for that breakout. Thank you, Steve. Thank you for the VELT earnings report. And on your LVS, like I say, nice call on that. Sweet chart. Nice bounce off the 200-day moving average. You can just see it following through. And this is just, here we are from the bottom, a double bottom, up, back, up, back. Just a very nice chart. You can just see how that thing just starts bouncing off the bottoms. Kind of like Tigger. Boom, 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 right up there. Cliff, yes, I agree. AVL setup is, try this again, there we go. AVL setting up right on this pullback. This would be a buy on strength tomorrow. In fact, if it just stays above the trend line, it can wobble around for a couple of days, but any kind of strength back up through that 50 right now, the 50 and the 34 exponential, the 20-day simples in there, I would look at that. Another one is the REE, R-E-E. I'm watching REE very closely as well. You can see it came right down there today. I drew the trend line after the low was in. No big trick there. But now we've got a few buyers stepping in. On any kind of strength, I would look at this and play that swing up, possibly a breakout and up higher. Yeah, both those are very nice. Well done, Cliff. And with about 25 minutes left in the market here, so far we're putting in this little kind of a doji type candle. It's got 20 minutes to give us some strength. If not, once again, I'm kind of expecting a little more residual selling here, a little bit more of a pullback, a little profit taking, whatever you want to call it, back into this little trend area right here. And if this breaks down, obviously, about the 50 simple would be the next target to the downside. So we're kind of playing with a tight range here for the, yeah, kind of a tight range. Cautious, cautious, cautious. Be very cautious. This is just it's not a time to take any risk. It's a time to have a lot on the sidelines, I think, and be ready to go when the market makes its mind up which direction it wants to pull. Thank you very much for watching the video. I do appreciate it. You can find us in the Hit and Run Candlesticks live trading room every day from market open to market close. Thanks a bunch. Good trading. See you tomorrow.